Hello, my friends. Today I want to share an exciting story about two super cool sisters, Rachel and Emily, who went on a thrilling adventure to local marketplace. But wait, this is not just any regular shopping trip. It's a journey to discover something super important. Something that's all about needs and wants. Now, you might be wondering what exactly are needs and wants? Well, my dear friends, needs are things that we must have to live happily and healthily, like yummy food, cozy clothes, and a cozy place to call home. On the other hand, wants are the extra special things that make life even more fun, like sparkly toys, tasty treats, and colorful gadgets. So, join me on this wonderful adventure as we follow Rachel and Emily to the market and learn all about the exciting difference between needs and wants. Are you ready? Let's go! Once upon a time, in a cozy town, there lived two sisters, Rachel and Emily. One sunny morning, Rachel and Emily decided to visit the market together. They both had a handful of shiny pebbles and they were determined to make the most of their trip. As they wandered through the market, their eyes sparkled with the colorful displays of items for sale. There were fruits, toys, clothes, and so much more. They noticed a toy cart with the latest flashy toys. Emily's eyes grew wide with desire and she wanted to spend all her pebbles on a toy robot that she saw. Rachel, however, was more thoughtful. She knew that she needed new shoes for school as her old ones were becoming too small. She also knew that she needed fresh fruits for her family. So she decided to visit the shoemaker first and bought a pair of sturdy shoes that fit her perfectly. Then she went to the fruit stand and bought essentials for her family. While Rachel made practical and necessary purchases, Emily couldn't resist an allure of the toy robot. She spent all her pebbles on it and happily played with it in the market. As the week went by, Rachel had her new shoes and fresh fruits for her family, which made her daily life easier and healthier. Emily, on the other hand, realized that her toy robot, while fun, didn't really fulfill any of her needs. She started to miss the pebbles she spent on the robot. One evening, as they sat by the river, Rachel explained to Emily the difference between needs and wants. She said, needs are things that we require for our well-being, like shoes and healthy food. Wants are the things that we desire but can live without, like toys and sweets. It's important to take care of our needs first. As they grew up, Emily understood and decided to save her pebbles for something she truly needed next time. She also learned about the concept of expenses. Making wise choices about expenses is important. Their story spread through the town and children began to understand the concepts of needs, wants, expenses and making responsible choices. Rachel and Emily continued their adventures, but now they did so with a newfound wisdom that helped them lead a balanced and happy lives.